Alright everyone, welcome to the second part of the video lecture for trigonometric integrals, the integrals involving the powers of trigonometric substitution. So for this video, we are going to consider the case 7 or for the odd powers of secant raised to n of x. So meron lang ako bibigyan example dito, isang example lang to, which is the integral of secant cube of x dx. Because these odd powers of secant, it involves somehow an integration by part. At if we are going to consider yung secant raised to 5 of x, medyo malala. Sabihin ko para for me, malala yung mga solution in this particular case. And dito, makikita ninyo somehow meron kayong mapapansin na similar approach na ginagawa natin sa integration by part. Okay, so let us consider now this example para makita natin ano ba yung pwede natin gawin when we have these odd powers of secant raised to n of x. Now, so ito yung goal natin. Itong secant cube of x, tanggal tayo ng isang secant of x. We have secant square of x times secant of x. So dito we cannot directly use yung use substitution na magle-let u ka kay secant of x. So take note, pag nag-let u kay secant of x, ano bang integral derivative ng secant of x? So wala tayo dito, So kapag tangent naman, hindi ka rin makakapag-form ng tangent dito. But the secant squared of x, ang gawin natin siya, i-convert natin siya as tangent. So magkakaroon kayo ng tangent squared of x plus 1 times secant of x. Pero again, hindi pa rin tayo pwede mag-let u dito kay tangent of x because again, ang derivative ng tangent ay secant squared. So yeah, meron tayong secant dito but the exponent is 1. So hindi siya secant squared. That's why we can apply yung u substitution for that. But take a look at this. Distribute natin ang secant of x. Magkakaroon kayo dyan ng tangent squared of x times secant of x plus secant of x dx. Okay, so in this case, we have this in secant of x, which is integrable, right? So ang gawin natin muna dito, separate natin. We don't have any method to integrate the tangent squared of x secant of x for the meantime. Huwag muna natin kunin yan. We are first considered yung secant of x dx, and the integral of secant of x dx, alam naman natin, that is, ano integral niyan? That is secant of x tangent of x, tama ba? Plus c. Right. So yan po yung integral ng secant tangent. Alright. Tama ba? Or it should be, sorry, this should not be secant of x, sorry for that. It should be ln of secant, rather. Ln of secant of x plus tangent of x plus c. So yung kanyang derivative. Integral, nalito na tayo. So, integral ng secant of x is ln of the absolute value of secant of x plus tangent of x plus c. Ngayon, proceed tayo for this case of the tangent square of x. We have there the tangent square of x, secant times secant of x dx. So, ito kasi, hindi natin tayo pwede mag-let u kay tangent. Hindi rin tayo pwede mag-let u kay secant. But this one, we can use yung integration by part. So, gawin natin, ganito. Let us separate yung isang tangent here. So, magkakaroon tayo ng tangent of x times tangent of x secant of x dx. So, recall that integral ng tangent of x secant of x dx is secant of x, right? Secant of x plus c. Ngayon, if we use yung integration by part, so we can let here u. Ang let u natin dito si tangent of x. And then i-dv natin si tangent of x secant of x, because we already know that the integral of tan sec is, or sec tan is, secant of x. So, derivative ng tangent of x, that is secant squared of x. And then, ang v natin is secant of x. Right? So, by using this, we have uv minus v du. So, uv minus integral of v du. You have there tangent of x times secant of x minus integral of secant cube of x dx. Kung papansinin natin, nagkaroon ulit tayo ng secant cube of x, which is yan yung hinahanap natin for number 15. But again, don't worry, because we can do this next step. No, I will going to input this tangent of x here. Right? Input ko muna siya dito. We have tangent of x times secant of x minus the integral of secant squared of cube of x dx. Alright? Ngayon, equate natin yan dun sa secant squared. Diba? Diyan lang naman equal yan. So, magkakaroon kayo ng secant cube of x dx, which is equal to siguro itong negative integral na to ililipat natin sa pinakadulo. Tanggalin muna natin tong plus c. We'll have here tangent of x secant of x plus ln of the absolute value of secant of x plus tangent of x minus the integral of secant cube of x dx. Now, you have a negative here. Negative ang integral ng secant cube. Meron tayong nasa left side na integral ng secant cube. We can transfer that or transpose that here sa left side. So, magiging positive yan. And, of course, dahil parehas sila, so, we will have here 2 times the integral of secant cube of x dx. Right? So, nawala yung x dito. So, this is secant cube of x dx, which is equal to tangent of x secant of x plus ln of the absolute value of secant of x plus tangent of x. And from here, we can divide both sides by 1/2, right? By 1/2. So, this gives us the integral of secant cube of x dx as equals to 1/2 tangent of x times secant of x plus 1/2 ln of the absolute value of secant of x plus tangent of x plus c. And that's it, no? How we arrive for the integral of secant cube. Kung i-consider natin ang second raised to 5 dito, again, this one, what we did here in secant cube is similar to secant cube second raised to 5, but we have here to consider again the integration by part, and medyo mahaba yung magiging solution for this particular, for the secant cube, second raised to 5 of x. Okay, so that's it for this case number 7. I hope this will be enough for you. So, pag-aralan natin mabuti itong secant cube, and mali natin for one of the item in your assessment ay lumabas ito. So, that's it, and see you for the next video for case number 8.